My consultation with Dr. Kerr was amazing. He obviously, first thing I noticed, he walked in with his cowboy boots, and he was very warm, very personable, but also very, very knowledgeable. I felt very comfortable talking to him. He answered all of my questions. He answered all of my husband's questions. I was very comfortable. I mean, after I spoke to him, I was very relaxed. I knew I was in the right place. The surgery was, it was a breeze. I mean, I was a little nervous, and I think I told him that I was a little nervous, and he told me, "Don't worry, we'll take care of you." I felt very comfortable. When I saw him, he made me feel very relaxed, and he told my husband he was going to take really good care of me. So I was nervous at first, but I was definitely very calm and at ease. Having surgery has definitely brought back my confidence. Actually, that was my reason for doing it in the first place. I kind of lost confidence in myself, after having a baby and, being a bodybuilder, you lose everything. And I lost all of my confidence, but my confidence is back. I feel more comfortable around my husband because I didn't feel comfortable being naked around my husband, but I'm definitely confident, and happy again.